Hello, beautiful people. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to elevate your space and make it look more luxurious and expensive on a budget.
Yes, summer is in full effect. We are barbecuing, we are entertaining, we are laying out on our balconies and our patios, picnics in the backyard, movie nights. We are having a great time this summer, enjoying all the fruits of our labor. I want you to be prepared as possible, so let's get started. Number one is purpose. Have a purpose. The space that you're going to be utilizing. What is it for? Here on the balcony, this is my evening sanctuary, or this is in the morning for morning coffee, tea, gathering my thoughts. So my purpose for this space was already decided. Now, if you start with your purpose, then you can determine how you're going to utilize it, how you're going to decorate, the things that you're going to need. If you create a living room space, an outdoor living room, that is the purpose. You want to have an extension from the inside of your house. You're extending your decor to the outdoor living room. There is a video for outdoor living, and you guys can get a number of tips and a number of design techniques that we utilize as designers for how to develop an outdoor living room. Even if you have a small space, divide it in two zones. This is considered a small space. Zone number one, right here where I can sit down and take in all the beautiful views. I can take in the trees, the pool. Zone number two is what I'm going to look at from the inside, and from that I can take in the beautiful floral, the vases that I've set out with placing the branches and the color inside of those vases. In this zone right here though, it serves double duty. I have the table in front of me. I can serve dinner on this table. I can have breakfast on this table. Also, I've created lighting for this space. Should I want to come out here at night and it's dark, I have lighting, functional lighting, the lamp. You may not be the person to want to sit down and just chill and do nothing. You may want your small space as a garden space. Create a sanctuary for a garden. Incorrect scale. Take measurements. Get your measuring tape and measure the space that you have to work with. Measure the width, measure the depth. As an example, this sofa, I only literally have about 6 feet by 12 feet to work with. I didn't want a sectional in this space because if I had a sectional coming out with legs, it was going to take up more of the diameter space, and I wouldn't be able to get a nice round large table in the space that I'm going to utilize for serving. With the incorrect scale, if you have a view that you do not want to block, a high back furniture piece would not be good. Too many pieces of furniture will block your view. This mistake could totally be avoided by measuring your space, knowing your purpose, and thinking about how you're going to utilize your space. I don't know how many times to say this part. Create the space that you love. Create a space that while you're at work, you can't wait to get home and chill in. Create a sanctuary, create your own utopia. Visual interest. I've got loads of color in just this small space. I'm working with blue right now, this week, this month. We've got the blue pillows. What colors go with blue? Blue and white, blue and pink, blue and yellow, blue and purple. There's so many colors can go with blue if you choose. Or if you work with color all day and you want your space to be serene, completely monotone, choose a monotone color. One of my biggest pet peeves when I'm trying to create interest and visual interest in the space is buying sets. I do not like sets of anything. I don't like bedroom sets, furniture sets, a sofa, a love seat, and a chair. That is the most boring thing to me, is to make the mistake of buying sets. Just start with the sofa. If you need to start with the sofa, do one piece. Have a sofa, Bring in things that you no longer are using on the inside and bring them outside. Please, please don't buy sets unless you have a super large project or a super large property and you can save money with the set. Use the sofa in one area, take the love seat or a chair and put it in a completely different area. If it benefits you financially to buy a set, buy the set. Do not utilize it in the same area. Boring, can we say boring, boring, boring? Think about all the items that you can add to an individual space for visual interest. You can add plants, you can add wall art, accessories, pillows, pots, so many things that you can add for visual interest. Create a focal point, and you're working in a small space. You want to add 2 chairs together, then create another focal point. I've created so many focal points in this small area for visual interest. The white pots with the yellow floral and the beechwood branches. The yellow floral is faux, because we all know that I don't have a green thumb. The beechwood branches is real wood. And then I've painted, there we go again with my paint. I've painted branches, regular tree branches, white to give it a contrast to complement the sofa. The white sofa, the pillows, the plants. This is a moment. This is a vibe that I am utilizing for texture and to create interest. The next tip, purchasing items that are too inexpensive. I said it, don't kill me. There is such a thing as purchasing items that are too cheap. Mix and match. Spend a little money on the pieces that are going to serve you well and for the longest, like the sofa. And then get inexpensive things. Go to Home Goods. Vases are from Home Goods and I just repainted them. So I'm mixing and I'm matching. However, the fabric on this pillow could be considered a little pricey, and yeah, I've got it outside, it's outdoors, but it's worth it to me in the sense of I love looking at it. When I come out here and I see this beautiful pillow next to the yellow floral, it looks amazing. It's not about the dollar amount, it's about the pieces that you choose and the quality of pieces that you choose. I know I just got through saying don't choose cheap, I meant everything inexpensive. Do not choose everything, totally everything inexpensive. Sometimes we get caught up and we say, I'm not going to spend more than $100 for an outdoor sofa. Well, you defeat the purpose, because the next year you're going to need to buy another outdoor sofa because that one's going to fall apart. Catch furniture sales, year-end furniture sales. That's how you save money. You can go to West End Restoration Hardware Outlet, and every year there's sales on outdoor furniture that is 75-80% off. So now you've got a high-end piece of furniture that you've paid for pennies on the dollar. These are great things and great ways that you can do to bring in some high-end pieces at a very low cost. Having said that, choose your pieces well. Choose pieces that once they get old, this is outdoor furniture, once it gets old, it looks like a patina. Teak wood is a great wood that you can utilize. Once it gets old, that's part of the personality of the wood. It takes on a different light. IKEA is another place where you can find inexpensive outdoor furniture. I know IKEA to some people is cheap, but they have very good outdoor furniture. If you like this information and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. I would love to have you join the community. Until next time, make every day a great day.